Hey friends, let's see today's current affair. The first topic is US destroys last of its declared chemical weapons. The US faced a September 30 deadline to eliminate its remaining chemical weapons under the International Chemical Weapons Convention. Now the next headline, whole genome sequencing in newborns. In a short, you can say WGS. Importance क्या है इसका? Rapid precise diagnosis of rare genetic diseases not detected by standard screenings and many more. Now the next topic is Performance Grading Index. In a short, PGI for year 2021 to 2022. Released by the Union Minister of Education for states UTS for the year 2021 and 2022. Aim to propel state and UTS towards undertaking that will bring about the much desired optimal education outcomes covering all dimensions. Now the next topic, Global Survey on Digital and Sustainable Trade Facilitation. Released by UNESCO. इसका फुल फॉर्म है यूनाइटेड नेशंस इकोनॉमिक एंड सोशल कमीशंस फॉर एशिया पैसिफिक, conducted every 2 years by UNESCO. Now the next, enteroviruses rising incidence, warned by WHO against this rising incidence of viruses in a few countries across Europe. Let's see another topic, notification to bring the GSTN under the purview of the PMLA. GSTN का फुल फॉर्म है गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज टैक्स नेटवर्क. PMLA का फुल फॉर्म है प्रिवेंशन ऑफ मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग एक्ट. नाउ द नेक्स्ट, SEBI कंप्लेंट्स रेडरेस सिस्टम SCORES platform. SEBI was established in April 1988 and SCORES platform launched in June 2011. SEBI Securities and Exchange Board of India. Total 3,079 complaints against companies and market intermediaries disposed through SEBI SCORES platform recently. And the next headline, decoding functionality live for all states and union territories, made by GSTN, full form Goods and Services Tax Network. Now the last, solar flares disrupted radio communications over part of the United States. तो solar flares के कारण कम्युनिकेशन, रेडियो कम्युनिकेशन जो है वो डिस्टर्ब हो गया है. कहाँ? यूनाइटेड स्टेट में और पैसिफिक ओशियन में. द सन emitted an X-class solar flares which disrupt radio communications over part of the United States and the Pacific Ocean. तो 5 different classes of solar flares कौन कौन से हैं? A, B, C, M and X. तो X is a bigger solar classes of flares. Thank you. Keep watching my videos.